we've got lots of things out here under the atrium for you to choose. Lots of great containers that are pre-made, sticks and greens so that you can make your own beautiful garland and wreaths. And one of the things that we're especially pleased about bringing to you are these wreaths from Restoration Gardens. They are a small company in Johnsonville, and all of these wreaths are made by hand by some wonderful ladies. They work in a barn. All of these greens, some of these things are dried by the folks at Restoration Gardens themselves. A lot of them are things that they buy in, like florist things. The wreaths are beautiful and lush, and the best part about them is that they all come with a tag that says Restoration Gardens, and each of the makers lists on here what the little special things are that it is in the wreath, and then they sign them. This particular one is done by my friend Karen. Karen loves a really tight wreath. So none of this is clipped. She measures all of this, and she's super meticulous. So if you have a spot where you like something that's a really tidy looking shape, Karen's your lady. If however you like something that's a little bit blousier and looser, go for a Char. She's my personal favorite. So stop into the garden center and we'll find something to help you deck your halls inside or out. And I hope that you all have a happy holidays from all of us here at the Bruce Company.